Miagao chart, part ng Iloilo. Lapitan natin kung ano yung mga bato na inutik. Ito, ginawa 1787. Parang hollow block, pero bato siya, oh. Bato siya. Miagao. Miagao Church, construction of this church began in 1787, while Fray Francisco Gonzales OSA was parish priest of the town and Domingo Ligoon was Gobernador Silio. The church was completed in 1797. It served as fortress against Muslim raiders in 1898 during the revolution. The church was destroyed, subsequently rebuilt. It was damaged by fire in 1910. It was sadly damaged by earthquake in 1948. Restoration work began in 1960 and completed in 1962 during the term of office of Most Reverend Dr. Jose Maria Suenco, Metropolitan Archbishop of Haro, of Monsignor Fernando Havillano, Parish Priest of the town and Discoro Nodia, Municipal Mayor. Ito yung lumang simbahan, 17th century. Nakailang na siya. Ay, magandang umaga. Nga rin, ang ganda ng church. Ito yung